scientists! Today we're going to talk about why is the sky blue. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? There's nothing really up there that's blue. There's just our atmosphere and then space. So what makes it blue? Well, the sky is blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, which is really similar to another phenomenon called refraction. So let's talk about refraction first because it's something that you're probably more familiar with. So refraction is the bending of light when it enters a medium. So for example, if you've ever had a straw in a glass of water and it looks bent, that's because of refraction. When the light is passing from air into the water, it's bending, causing the straw to look broken at that point. Another really good example of refraction is a rainbow. So when light enters either like a raindrop in the sky or a prism, if you have a glass prism and you're making a rainbow, when it enters either the raindrop or that prism, the white light bends and the different colors bend different amounts. And so when it comes out, you see that full rainbow. You see red, which bends the least, and then all the way to violet, which bends the most. Now, this phenomenon of bending of light can happen when light hits a particle, not just when light passes through any medium. So up in the sky, there's our atmosphere, and so there's a lot of particles. What happens is light from the sun comes and hits those particles and it bends just like it does when light passes through a raindrop to create a rainbow. So all those colors get dispersed, but because of our relative angle from the sun to where we are on Earth, the blue light gets refracted down and we see the sky as blue. So to demonstrate this, what you're going to need is a flashlight, some white soap, so we use Dove at home, so that's what we used, a glass of water, and a spoon. So take some of the soap and put some of it into your water and stir. You're going to want it to look cloudy like this water does. So I have a bowl just because my glass is shorter than my flashlight. But then you're going to want to turn your flashlight on and kind of get down. You might need to turn the lights off for this. And move your flashlight and kind of move your head around. You should get to an angle where your water looks blue. So I don't know if you guys can see or not, but this looks right here actually really blue. As we mentioned earlier, you have to be at the right angle for the refracted light to be entering your eye to see that color. So you might need to kind of play around with it a little bit, but it should look blue. And what's going on here is the same thing that's going on in the sky. The soap particles are refracting the light. So the light coming from our flashlight, which is our sun, is bouncing off those soap particles and refracting. And if we kind of get down at the right angle, we should see it look blue, just like the sky. Have fun exploring, scientists.